Distillation. Distillation in AI is the process of training a smaller model to mimic the behavior of a larger, more accurate model, so it becomes faster and lighter, while staying almost as smart. A useful way to picture distillation is like an expert summarizing a huge textbook into a concise cheat sheet for a student. The expert did the hard work, and the student just learns the refined insights. In AI, the big teacher model has already learned complex patterns from massive data, and the small student model learns to copy its outputs instead of reading all the raw data itself. In practice, a company might train a huge language model in the cloud, then distill it into a much smaller model that can run on a phone to power on-device autocomplete or translation. This smaller student model is trained on the teacher's responses, similar to how transfer learning reuses knowledge from one model to benefit another. But here the focus is on shrinking size and latency. Distillation matters because it lets teams keep most of a powerful model's quality while cutting memory, compute, and latency enough to deploy AI on edge devices and high-traffic services. In modern machine learning systems, distillation is a core tool for turning research-grade models into practical, production-ready ones. So remember, distillation is the teacher compressing its knowledge into a smaller student.